Ready to skip the airport lines and start your Antigua getaway the moment you land. With the new Arrive Antigua online system, you can. In this video, I'll show you how to make your arrival seamless, saving you time, removing the guesswork, and making sure your first step into Antigua and Barbuda feels just as luxurious as your holiday. So why bother with Arrive Antigua? Simple, it speeds up your arrival, makes the whole process paper-free and takes the stress of the customs and immigration out of your day. It's backed by the government, so you know it's official. And it's honestly one of the most smoothest systems in the Caribbean. Basically, it gets you from the plane seat to the beach chair faster than anywhere else. When and how to start? Here's the key. You need to complete it within 72 hours before you fly. Just head to ArriveAntigua.com and use the app on your phone or your tablet. Families, couples, or solo travelers. It works for everyone. Step-by-step guide. Once you're on the platform, here's what you do. Select Visitor. Start a new immigration and customs form and add yourself first. Then you can add your family members, especially children under 18, on the same form. Next, scan or photograph your passport bio page. Make sure it is clear. No glare, nothing covered. Then comes a quick selfie step for ID verification. Fast, secure, and you're done. You'll also need your home address, email, and flight details, and the address of where you'll be staying in Antigua and Barbuda. Families can add everyone together, so it's one process, customs and submission. You'll be asked about the usual custom questions like food, cash, or items you're bringing in. Once you reviewed those questions and signed electronically, hit submit. Straight away, you will get a personalized QR code. Save this as a screenshot or add it to your Apple or Google wallets. Arrival at the airport. Here's the magic. When you arrive at VC Bird International, follow the signs for arrivals. Have your passport and QR code ready. Scan it, show your passport, and head to baggage claim. At customs, you'll just show your QR code again. No more fiddling with paper, trying to find a pen, and no more forms. If you have any issues, don't worry. If something does go wrong, there are customer service reps on arrival and kiosks in the airport where you can still complete the form. The system is new, so little patience helps, but for most travelers, it's smooth sailing. Pro tips and extras. For VIPs or you just hate waiting, fast track and concierge services are available. Families keep everyone's passport and QR codes together to move quickly through the airport. And once you're through customs, taxis, shuttles, and resort pickups are just outside the arrivals hall. Your arrival sets the tone for the rest of the trip, and now you know how to make it seamless. But what happens once you leave the airport? If you've ever wondered what it's really like to live in paradise, check out my next video, Why I Love Living in Jolly Harbour. I'll take you inside Antigua's most sought-after community, where beachfront mornings and vibrant evenings are just the beginning. Click now and I'll see you in Jolly Harbour.